Hello! In this video, we're going to learn how to create an invoice for a sales order. We begin here on a sales order screen. Here you can see that we have a tab called Related. Here you can see the sales order line items that can be included in the invoice. Within the Invoices section, we click on Create Invoice. You'll be given the option to choose a record type, either Advance for advance payments, On Account Payment for payments to an account, or Sales for sales invoice. For this example, we're going to create a sales invoice. On this screen, we can see all of the sales order line items, along with information such as their quantities, unit price, taxes and totals. Notice how as we select a line item, the total amount updates. This allows us to select individual items, or we can select everything to include in our invoice. With that done, we shall click on Save. This takes us back to the sales order screen, and an invoice has now been created. We can see the invoice date, which is today's date, and the due amount. Let's click here to look at the invoice in more detail. The invoice will have an invoice document created with it, which we can access by clicking this downward pointing arrow and choosing Invoice Document. The invoice document can be downloaded as a PDF, or it can be sent to an email address by choosing Add Recipients. Now, if we take a look at the customer account, the invoice will be listed in the Accounts Receivable tab of the Finance Management module. If we click on Invoices, we can see the invoice that we have just created. So in this video, we learnt how to create a sales invoice from a sales order.